Good day guys, welcome back. Having Google's Gemini AI built directly into Visual Studio Code makes writing, refactoring and debugging code so much faster. Whether you want real-time inline code completions or an AI assistant in your sidebar, setting it up takes not much time at all. Alright guys, so you just open up your Visual Studio Code, click on the extensions icon, you will have this kind of interface. On the left activity bar, then in the search bar at the top, just type Gemini Code Assist. So as you can see, you're either looking for Code Cloud, you can type that in, or just Code Assist. And find the official extension published by Google Cloud. Okay, this one, as you can see, it will have this check mark and that it says it's verified. And then you just go there and press Install Next on this screen right here on the center. And then of course you will have to just connect your Google account. So Gemini has permissions to generate code for you. So you just click in that same window, log into Google. This will also automatically redirect you to a browser. Then you just in that window sign in into your Google account, authorize the connection permissions and switch back to VSCode, where you will see a confirmation message showing you are connected. And then how do you actually prompt Gemini while coding without opening the chat sidebar? So you highlight any block of code, press Ctrl-I, and type a quick instruction like explain this function or add unit tests. So that is it. Hopefully this was helpful. Enjoy.